Material Order Sheet. We can access a complete material order sheet for the work that we have priced here within the NHE programme. The report will bring together all of the material details for every item that's on our pricing sheet. To ensure every item we may need is listed, it would be best practice to complete our quotation before generating the material order sheet. To access the material order sheet, we click the Reports tab and click Order Sheet. Every material item that will be required for the job we have priced will be listed. We can specify how they're displayed. At the moment, they're grouped by work section, in the order that the work will take place. So at the top, we have the materials for the foundations, ground floor, walls, and so on. Each section and the items within it are laid out in the same way. Let's take a look. At the top, we have the title of the work section. In this example, it's walls. Working from left to right, we have the description, the quantity we'll require, the unit type, the cost, as listed on our pricing sheet, so this has come from our material library, and the overall total for the item based on the unit cost. This is such a useful document as we can ensure that when it comes to ordering, nothing's forgotten, and none of the smaller items are overlooked. For example, here in the walls, we can see the quantity of bricks and blocks required, the insulation, sand and cement. It's unlikely we'd forget these larger, more obvious items, but still, knowing exactly how many we will need ensures that we won't run out. Plus smaller items like the wall ties, which would hold us up if we don't have them, are here too. Nothing's forgotten. This new build job is quite large, and we would be ordering items in this work section format, due to the available space, storage and the cash flow. So having the materials shown in this way means we can keep on top of ordering and ensure the flow of materials works, allowing the job to run smoothly. We have the option to print this material order with or without the prices. When we want to print it, we just click the relevant button here at the top. We can also export it to Microsoft Word. If we do export this order to Word, it will become an independent document. So it's important to remember, if we do make any changes or amendments to our quote, we will need to regenerate our material order and export it again to Microsoft Word. Another option we have is to export the material order sheet for a job to EasyPrice Pro's bolt-on programme, Easy Order. The Easy Order programme enables us to email our material lists to the suppliers of our choice. They enter their prices into the form that they receive. We can then compare the prices in the Easy Order programme and quickly work out the most cost-effective way to purchase. Then generate purchase orders to get the materials on order. There is the option to group the materials by material type. Just use this drop-down menu and select that option. The programme will then reorganise the material list. It can take a minute or two to complete, and we're provided with an explanation about what the programme is doing to complete this process. Due to the size of this new build job and space and storage constraints of the site, having the material information grouped by work section makes sense, as we would be staggering the ordering of the materials. But if, for example, a smaller job is being carried out, like a porch, it may be that we want to order the materials at the same time to secure the best price. OK, the programme has now reordered the materials for us, so they're now grouped by material type. We'll notice the layout in each material type section is the same. So we have the description, quantity, unit type and cost information. But each material is grouped and listed under material type heading. For example, every single aggregate required for the whole build is here. The material order sheet is so useful. Every single material is accounted for in a single document that you give to your suppliers to secure the best prices for the work, and it will ensure that nothing's forgotten. To generate our material order, we click the Reports tab, click Order Sheet, then use the drop-down to specify how we want the material items to be displayed.